I'm gonna go. See you later.
All right, bye. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hi everyone. Miss me? I'm sure you did. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. If you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Now let's get right into this video talking about my skincare must-haves. So keep on watching. First, thank you all so much for all of your get well soons on my community post. I wasn't feeling well, but I'm feeling so much better, so I had to get out content for you all. Now this video is all about skincare. A few of you have commented on how soft and smooth my skin looks and have asked me to do a skincare products update. So I'm doing this video to show you all in one video the skincare products that I use. They are my must-haves. I use them on a daily basis and a weekly basis for some of them. Now I have done previous skincare videos. I will link them up above in the cards as well as in the description box down below so you can check them out for demos. In this video, I'm just going to show you all the skincare products that I use every day or for some of them weekly. So for the first few products that I use, I have reviewed the Proactiv Plus line before. I will link that up above and in the description box down below, so make sure you check it out if you want to see a demo of how I use all three products. And here is what they look like up close. This is the Skin Smoothing Exfoliator. Then we have the Pore Targeting Treatment. Then we have the Complexion Perfecting Hydrator. So I use all three products every morning and or every night. For the morning and night, I use the Skin Smoothing Exfoliator. It definitely gets off all the dead skin cells and it definitely helps my skin feel so soft and so smooth, and it's getting off all of the dead skin cells and allowing the new ones to come to the surface. And for the Pore Targeting Treatment, it definitely helps keep any acne away, since I do suffer from acne prone skin. Even though I am pretty much an adult, I still do get acne, and I usually get it around that time of the month, and I usually get it on my chin, and sometimes I break out on my cheeks. But using this system has definitely kept my skin soft and smooth and healthy, and has definitely kept pretty much most of my acne at bay. Now the Pore Targeting Treatment, I do only use that at night. I don't use that in the morning. I only use it at night. And then for the Complexion Perfecting Hydrator, I usually use it a little bit in the morning and a little bit at night as needed. So in the morning, my skincare routine goes as follows. I use the Skin Smoothing Exfoliator. I use about a dime size amount, wet my face, massage it all into my face for about 60 seconds, and then I just wash it all off my face. And then in the morning, I just use a pinch of the Complexion Perfecting Hydrator, and then that's it. I go on with my primers, my makeup, all that fun stuff. Now at night, I use the Skin Smoothing Exfoliator. Again, I use a makeup wipe first to get off all of my makeup. You guys know that. Then I use the Skin Smoothing Exfoliator, and then I use the Pore Targeting Treatment only at night. I use about 2 to 3 pumps on my face, give it a few minutes to soak in, and then if my skin is feeling a little bit dry, that's when I use the Complexion Perfecting Hydrator. And I just use a little small amount since I do have oily acne prone skin on top of it. So I just use a little bit at night, and it definitely helps make my skin feel healthy and hydrated and soft, not dry. So that is it for my morning and night routine. Pretty much I do this every day, morning and night. And now for my mask. I do love a good mask. I have previously reviewed this mask here on my channel. It's a charcoal clay mask that I was sent in PR, and I absolutely love it. I use it once a week. I usually use it during the week. Maybe I might use it on the weekends, but I usually use it during the week. I usually use it Wednesday or Thursday night. And even though it's like thick and tough, it is so good at cleaning out your pores, making your skin feel so soft afterward. It's gonna feel a little bit dry because it is a charcoal clay mask, so it's drawing everything out of your skin, but just put on a good moisturizer or serum and you will be just fine afterward. I love this mask. I have reviewed that as well on my channel here. I'll link it in the cards and in the description box down below. Check it out. I also will have links to all these products in my description box, so make sure you check it out. It is the best mask for getting everything, and I mean everything, out of my pores, out of my skin, and definitely has helped my skin feel so much healthier and smoother. Now let us get into an extra product that I use if I see a breakout coming on. Now I do use this Logic 10% benzoyl peroxide acne treatment medicated gel. It's maximum strength. I'll show you what it looks like right here. And if I see a spot or a pimple about to form and it's looking like it's about to get big, then I definitely just use a little bit, like a little tiny amount on the pimple. I dab it on the pimple and that is it. By the morning, the pimple is almost pretty much gone, or it has decreased in size. And then by the next day, once I use it again at night before I go to bed, it's just completely gone. So I have been using this for the longest. I'm almost out of this tube and it is great. It definitely is maximum strength, so you want to make sure to just use a little bit and only on a spot of a pimple. Don't use it like all over your face or anything like that. At least I don't, because since it is maximum strength, it will kind of burn your skin if you use it too much in one concentrated area. So that's why I use the tiniest amount. So let me know, what are your skincare must-haves in the comment section down below. These are the products that I use daily and weekly to keep my skin soft, smooth, and healthy, and they work. Also, since you guys know I wear a lot of makeup, these products, using a good skincare routine, or having a good skincare routine rather, it makes your makeup look so much better. Trust me, it really does. So I love a good skincare routine. I cannot say that enough, especially since I wear makeup and you guys know that I love makeup. So I have to make sure my skincare routine is up to par. And all of these products are not expensive. The only thing that might be a little pricey is the Proactiv Plus, but I'm pretty sure you can find a good skincare regimen that you can find at the drugstore. I've used a few drugstore products, you know, basically like a 3-step system, if you will, that has worked. So let me know, what are your skincare must-haves in the comment section down below. I'm very interested to know what products should I be adding to my skincare routine, if you will. And don't forget to follow me on my social medias. I usually put them throughout my videos and in my description box down below. Give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot and I really do appreciate it. Of course, if you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with all of the beauty community news, and live a fun and healthy lifestyle, then make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click the bell notification to be notified of when I upload. I will check you all out very soon. Thank you so much for watching. I have a giveaway going on. Make sure you check out that video right up here in the cards and description box down below. And I will see you all soon. Bye!